The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 300 is back, and it's redefining what entry-level sport bikes are all about. Sleek, aggressive, and brimming with updated technology, this bike is not just a beginner's dream, but a machine that excites riders of all skill levels. If you're looking for a combination of performance, style, and affordability, this refreshed Ninja 300 might just be the one. Let's start with its design. The Ninja 300 has always been a head-turner, but Kawasaki has taken it a notch higher for 2025. The bike now boasts sharper lines and a more aerodynamic fairing, inspired by its larger siblings like the Ninja ZX-10R. The twin LED headlights are brighter and more energy efficient, giving the bike a modern and fierce look. The aggressive front end flows seamlessly into the sculpted tank and tail section, making the 2025 Ninja 300 look like it's always ready to attack the road. And with new color options, including a striking metallic green and black combination, it's impossible to go unnoticed. Underneath that sharp exterior lies a refined engine that's ready to deliver. The 296cc parallel twin engine has been updated for improved performance and better fuel efficiency. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the engine mapping to ensure smoother throttle response and more linear power delivery. It now meets the latest emission standards without compromising on the fun factor. With 39 horsepower on tap, the Ninja 300 strikes the perfect balance between being approachable for beginners and thrilling enough for seasoned riders. The bike's lightweight chassis, combined with its responsive engine, ensures an exhilarating ride, whether you're carving through twisties or cruising in the city. One of the highlights of the 2025 Ninja 300 is its updated electronics. Kawasaki has equipped the bike with a state-of-the-art 4.3-inch TFT display, which provides all the essential information at a glance. The screen is customizable and features modes tailored for both street and sport riding. You can monitor your speed, gear position, fuel level, and even connect your smartphone via Bluetooth to access calls, messages, and navigation. This tech upgrade brings a level of sophistication rarely seen in the entry-level segment. The handling of the Ninja 300 is nothing short of impressive. The Diamond TT steel frame has been engineered to offer the perfect balance of rigidity and flexibility. This, coupled with a 37mm telescopic front fork and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, ensures excellent stability and cornering confidence. Whether you're a new rider building skills or an experienced enthusiast pushing the limits, the Ninja 300's handling inspires trust. The bike's low seat height of 30.9 inches and a curb weight of just 373 pounds make it easy to maneuver in tight spots and comfortable for riders of all sizes. Safety has also seen an upgrade for 2025. The Ninja 355 comes with Kawasaki's latest ABS technology, providing precise braking performance even in slippery conditions. The pedal disc brakes, with a 219mm front and 220mm rear setup, offer plenty of stopping power with great feel at the lever. For added safety, the bike features an assist and slipper clutch, which not only reduces lever effort, but also prevents wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. These features ensure that the Ninja 300 remains predictable and forgiving, making it an excellent companion for riders honing their skills. Comfort has not been overlooked. The ergonomics of the Ninja 300 have been designed to strike a balance between sporty and comfortable. The handlebars are positioned slightly higher, reducing wrist strain during long rides. The seat has been redesigned with better padding and a narrower profile, making it more accommodating for longer trips. Kawasaki has even paid attention to pillion comfort, with a wider and more cushioned rear seat, ensuring that your passenger enjoys the ride as much as you do. Fuel efficiency is another area where the 2025 Ninja 300 shines. Thanks to the improved engine tuning and lightweight construction, the bike offers excellent mileage, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and weekend adventures. The 4.5-gallon fuel tank provides a generous range, so you can spend more time riding and less time at the pump. For those who love customizing their bikes, the Ninja 300 offers plenty of options. Kawasaki has introduced a range of accessories, including a taller windscreen for improved wind protection, frame sliders for added safety, and even a performance exhaust for those who want a sportier sound. These options allow riders to tailor the Ninja 300 to their preferences and make it truly their own. The Ninja 300's reputation as a beginner-friendly bike is well-deserved, but it's important to emphasize that this is not just a bike for beginners. Its versatile performance and sharp styling make it appealing to a wide range of riders. Whether you're stepping up from a smaller displacement bike or adding a lightweight sport bike to your garage, the Ninja 300 delivers on all fronts. The riding experience on the 2025 Ninja 300 is exhilarating yet approachable. The engine's smooth power delivery ensures that it's not intimidating, while the responsive throttle and crisp handling make it engaging. The bike feels nimble in city traffic, yet it's equally at home on open roads and twisty mountain passes. Kawasaki has struck a fine balance, creating a bike that's both practical and fun. In terms of competition, the Ninja 300 faces rivals like the Yamaha R3 and KTM RC390. While each of these bikes has its strengths, the Ninja 300's combination of affordability, build quality, and balanced performance gives it a unique edge. Kawasaki's attention to detail and commitment to delivering a premium riding experience at an accessible price point make the Ninja 300 a standout in its class. Speaking of price, Kawasaki has managed to keep the 2025 Ninja 300 competitively priced, ensuring it remains an attractive option for new riders and budget-conscious enthusiasts. With its impressive list of features and updates, the Ninja 300 offers incredible value for the money. It's a bike that delivers more than what you pay for, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to enter the world of sport bikes. For those who've been waiting for the right moment to get into motorcycling, the 2025 Ninja 300 is a compelling reason to take the plunge. It's a bike that embodies the spirit of motorcycling, freedom, excitement, and adventure, while providing the tools and features to make every ride safe and enjoyable. Kawasaki has once again proven why the Ninja lineup is one of the most respected names in the industry. In conclusion, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 300 is more than just an entry-level bike. It's a statement. With its sharp design, refined performance, and advanced technology, it offers an experience that's hard to match. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, the Ninja 300 has something to offer. It's a bike that grows with you, delivering endless smiles per mile and making every ride memorable. If you're in the market for a lightweight sport bike that's as stylish as it is capable, the Ninja 300 deserves a spot at the top of your list.